Hi, this is Divyanshu. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Canva's latest feature, Content Planner. Watch this video till the end, and I'm going to tell you how can you make the most out of this powerful tool. So first thing first, why should you be using Canva's Content Planner? Although there are a lot of platforms available, a lot of scheduling applications are available, such as Buffer, such as Hootsuite, Later, etc. But there is one limitation with these platforms, since these platforms are meant for scheduling your content. You will be using some other platform to create your content, then you will be downloading that content, and then you will be uploading that content over this scheduling application to schedule your content for, let's say, next month, next week, next day, or same day. But we content creators use Canva extensively to create content. So what is new with this update? So once you create your content over Canva, you are not supposed to download your content anymore. What you can do, once you have created your content, you can directly schedule it via Canva. Means you do not need to download it, and you are not supposed to upload it again. So you will be saving on those efforts. So let's talk about this tool in detail. So once you have logged into your Canva account, on the left hand side, you would be able to notice Content Planner. So once you click over Content Planner, there you can see there are, all these dates are there. So, here you will get this plus symbol. So let's say if you want to upload anything, you want to schedule anything, you have to click over it. If I show you there you can see, for instance, this post has been scheduled here for Twitter, and here you can see what this creative is all about. This will be going live over here at what time? 24th August at 6:45 a.m. and this has been like scheduled here, so it will auto posted over Twitter at the scheduled time. So what options are available here? So if you click over any date, let's say I want to schedule something on 25th of this month, so go and hover your mouse over the date where you want to schedule some content. Then you have to click over this plus icon. Once you click over this plus icon, you would get two options. First one is a create a design. So let's say you want to create a design from scratch for, let's say, some upcoming event, some upcoming post. So if I click over it, it will ask you what kind of post you want to create. So there are predefined formats available. You can use custom dimensions as well. However, the second option is choose a design. So let's say if you have already created some design over Canva, what you can do, you can simply click over choose a design, and you can choose your creatives from these creatives. So these are the recent designs that I have created. So you would be able to search your designs, and you can choose it. So let's say if I choose this design, so some sample video I guess I have chosen here. Now Canva would ask you where you want to post this. So if I click over here, so there you can see I have already added a Facebook group. So if I show you from scratch, so Canva provides you options of a Facebook page. You can post something, schedule something over a Facebook page via Canva, over Facebook group, which is an interesting thing here. Pinterest you can manage from here. LinkedIn profile you can manage, LinkedIn page, Slack, and Tumblr. So these are the options which are available at the moment. So let's say if I want to post something over Pinterest, so I have to click over Pinterest, and then it will ask me which board I want to choose. So since I have already linked Pinterest here, so it is very easy to link your account. All you have to do is just log in and give permissions in order to link your social media account. So there I need to this is a sample post. So I'm just doing it so that I can show it to you. So this will go live on 25th of August. If you want to make any changes here, click over these ellipses, these three dots. You can change dates and time from here. Let's say I want to keep it on 26th, and let's say timings I want to keep it at 11:06 in morning. So I have changed it and click over done. So there you can see there is one error here. It is also showing me a warning just because I picked some random content here, random video here, and it says you have selected more pages than this platform accepts. Please check your selections or we will proceed using the accepted limit. So Canva is going to optimize it. So you have to keep all these limitations in mind while you are scheduling your post. And then I can click over schedule post. So it will take a few seconds and it shall schedule the post. So there you can see this post now is visible here. It shall go live on 26th of this month, and this is how you can use this content planner. Now if I talk about some of the advantages, what is an edge, what is extra advantage that you are having since Canva has rolled out this platform. Since Canva is an easy drag and drop features are available, so it becomes pretty easy for anyone to schedule through these platforms. So and you would be able to focus over the consistency. For instance, if I check this month and I have scheduled one post on 19th over Facebook, there is one post on 24th, that is Monday. On Twitter on 31st there is a post, but in between you would be able to see like these fields are blank. So I need to come up with a consistent plan. Let's say if I check next month, and you can see I am yet to update the calendar here. So this is how you would be able to plan your content in advance, and things become super smooth here. However, when there are a lot of advantages over this platform in this new feature content planner, there are a few limitations as well. What are these limitations? So at this moment there are limited platforms available. For instance, only Facebook page, Facebook group, Pinterest, Tumblr, Slack, LinkedIn, and LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn pages are available. But there is a no access to platforms such as Instagram. So let's say if you are heavily posting your content over Instagram, over IGTV, over YouTube, then you will have to use these traditional platforms. So I'm pretty sure that Canva is likely to launch roll out some update, or in future Canva is likely to give option of Instagram and other platforms as well. So this is one of the limitations that I am seeing at the moment. So Canva is likely to roll out more features. So if you use this feature effectively, if you plan your content in advance, you will never ever run out of content again, and you would be able to manage your social media plannings effectively, content creations effectively. However, this feature is a part of their premium plans, so this won't be available in the free plan. So you can sign up for premium plan, which goes somewhere around 12 or $13. So then you would be able to use this platform. If I tell you about other platform, they charge a lot of money for just scheduling or managing different social media accounts. So that's all in this video. I hope you liked the content. You can share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want me to cover some specific topic, then please feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching.